Welcome back everyone. In the previous video we have learned, have illustrated you the use on the way we do the addition, okay, with the binary. Okay, and that is a part of a binary arithmetic. I have also showed you some exercises how we do it, okay, and also I've given you the assignment on how you can add these following binary numbers. Now, apart from this kind of a question that you may get, you may also get a question which is in this way. Add the following binary numbers, okay? They'll give you some binary numbers, but then the answer you have to provide in decimal number system. So first of all, you'll have to convert them, okay, and find out the equivalent number in decimal. For this, it is 11. For this one, it is 5. For 111, it is 7. So for you to find out, you can use that conversion method which I've showed you in the previous videos. Okay, now after, suppose if we meet after this, I'm also going to show you the shortcut method as of how you can know the answer directly by just looking at any binary numbers and find the equivalent of decimal number. As of now, you just stick to that conversion method that I've showed you, and if you just want to rectify or just want to see whether this really is equal to this, you can try the conversion, okay, method, and then do the conversion, and you'll find out that this 1011 is equivalent to decimal number 11, so and so on and so forth, right? So but if you get a question like this, you cannot just, you'll have to really do some calculation and find out, okay, that equivalent of this. Once you get this, of course it's easier for you now. If you just add these decimal number, you'll definitely get 23. 11 plus 5 is 16. 16 plus 7 is going to be 23. Fine. So you may think that that's it, okay, that's the answer that you have provided in decimal number. No, but you are supposed to show the arithmetic also, okay, and this usually come in your board exams, so do it, okay, properly, step by step. So you first do the arithmetic, okay. Of course you can show it in this way, okay, the equivalent decimal number in this way, and after that you show how you add. Now again, let's do this addition where 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 with a carry 1, isn't it? Yes. So we put, sorry, not there, we put in this column 1, fine. But then that 0 has to be added to this one also, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 1, fine. Then again, this 1 plus 1, as I've said, no need to calculate the 0, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 0, and then you just carry 1. But again, when you get this 0, you also have to add with this carry, so that will give you 1, right? Again, now if you add these two, you're going to get 1 plus 1, which is 0 again, sorry, which is 0, and then you'll have to carry 1. But again, the 0 needs to be added with the carry, so that will give you again 0 plus 1 is 1, right? Then 1 plus 1 finally is 0, okay, with carry 1, and this one comes down, and that's your answer. And also, when you write an answer, please do write in a proper way, in this way. Therefore the answer is, okay, let me just write the answer is right in this way, 10111, okay, that's the answer. And do not forget to write 2, that is a binary, okay. After you're done with this, now the next step is that you convert this to your decimal equivalent, okay, which means, of course, by looking at this we know it's 23, right? The answer is 23, so which also mean after you convert it should be 23, okay. So to do the conversion, again we do that method. If you still remember, 1, let's write it in the next page, 10, what is it, 10111, 111, and remember all this, okay, the you have to take from the right side as 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4. So if this will be 2 to the power of 4, so you take 1 into 2 to the power of 4 in this way, right? Now then you will add, you can do in that way as I've showed you in the previous class, or else you can write in this in horizontal way in this way and that I'm doing, or else vertical way as I've shown in the previous class. So whichever way you are comfortable with. So you can actually skip this 0 because 0 will always, when you multiply anything, is going to be 0, but there's no harm if you just want, if you want to show it, okay, all the values on top. Okay, so since this is 4, so definitely 2 now will be 2 to the power of 3. So in this way you will have another addition of this, but this will be 2, and again you will have a plus, okay, and this one will be 1, and then again another one, but this one will be 0. This will be 0 to the power of 0. So in the next line you're going to get 1 into 2 to the power of to the power 4. Straight away you can give the answer, okay, as 1 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, all right? Or else you can write 1 into 2 to the power 4 would mean 2 into 2, which is 4. 4 into 2 is 8, and 8 into 2 is 16. So you get 16 plus, again, 1 0, this in this case of course is going to be 0 into 8 plus 1 into 4. Okay, you're getting it. Now 1 into to the power of 1 will be 2 plus the last one, 1 into 2 to the power of 0, remember, is equal to 1. So now in the next line, now you're going to get 16. 1 into 16 is 16, then plus 0 plus into 8 is 0. So remember, don't make a mistake on this, okay? 0 always give you 0. So 1 into 4 is 4, plus 1 into 2 is 2, and 1 into 1 is 1. So there you have 16 plus 4, which is 20, and yes, the answer is 23. And of course you have to again show in this way, okay? Therefore let me just, therefore this number, okay, this number is equal to 23. And 23 also you will write that way, and don't forget to write 10, because this time now it has turned to decimal number. So you see this one question, okay, you have to do a lot, okay? Or else if you can just do this in a rough and then show it in a paper so that you can score more, okay, so that you show that you know the arithmetic as well and you know the conversion as well. As for these, for just to find out to, because if you already know that the answer is 23, it's easier for you to understand whether your conversion is correct or not. So like already you, if you know the shortcut way of finding it very fast, and then you just find out the total of decimal number, and when you do these conversion, okay, and if the answer is same, then you are very sure that the answer is correct. So please copy this in exercise, okay? You can pause the video and copy it. Remember, this is a very important exercise which is also not there in your book, okay? So with this I come to an end of a binary number system and the number system. Thank you, class.